Good morning, ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 60 Spring for Analysis Restart Method. Zero basics is very easy to study. Let's go. Okay, first set work directory. The date September 26. Number one file. Okay. First you will create a Spring. Model 1 you create Spring cell. Okay, how to create Spring? Yes. Cell revolution. Continue. Okay, it's millimeter units. Double click middle mouse. Then angle. What's the number meaning? 20 circles. Because 360 is one circle. Okay. The pinch 2. Okay. Direction change. Okay. I have created part 1. Okay, a material you must give density and elastic, very small value. Compare with metal, right? Okay, and the cell thickness 1 meter. Okay. Static granule 1. Yes. Don't forget, you will restart. You must output to restart requires frequency 1. Okay. Mesh 2. Okay. Load gravity 9800 because the unit is millimeter. If meter, the value is 9.8. Okay. The boundary only select this line. Don't move. Okay, I have finished calculate result. Okay, gravity, the spring will pull. Okay, pay attention. If you look the result ODB, you must save and close your software and open again. Otherwise you cannot use the ODB because the ODB is open. Okay, open software again. That's the way. Okay. Number 1 file. Okay. Open and right click, copy model, name model R, model 2. Okay. You will only change model 2. Change. Replace, change, choose dynamic explicit. Okay, the time I think 0.1 is enough. Okay, because if you want to see a lot of results, you can use even every X unit of time. Okay. mesh. Oh, I have. Don't forget general contact, because the surface will collect this surface. So you need create general contact. Okay, restart. Job 1, because model 1 name is job 1. Okay, select the whole model. Job 1, last. Okay, another attention. Step 1, inactive. Release the boundary. Okay, I have finished calculate. I have finished. Okay. No problem. Okay. I hope you're happy. See you tomorrow. It's my WeChat. Briefly contact me. Bye bye.